In today's video, let's learn how to fix Instagram story has no sound. Now when someone has added a music that is not available in your region, you could not hear the sound even if they have added it. So this simply happens because that particular music is not yet available in your region. So that's the main thing that's gonna happen. But there is no music on that particular story and you still can't hear other sounds on that story. This could be happening because there is some kind of glitch in the system. So what you need to do is you need to update your app of Instagram, open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there are any new updates, you can tap on update and update the app. Now once the update is complete, try to check if it solved the issue. If it still does not, you can now try to open up a web browser, or you can also use a desktop or laptop and log into your Instagram using that. And once you've been logged in, you can try to check that particular story if you can hear the song through the web browser or your desktop. If you can hear it through there but you can't on your phone, that means your phone is having an issue right now. So what you need to do is you can just reboot your phones and tap on reboot. Once the reboot is complete, you can also try to uninstall the app of Instagram and again download and install it and log into your account. Once you've been logged in, you should be able to see that you could hear the Instagram story and the sound that is in it. Most of the times this happens because there is simply a glitch in the system. So yeah, that's pretty much wraps up for today. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Keep watching.